English challenge. Actually, I have two kids. My son is appearing board exam class 10 right now from BMS. Today is his 23rd is his board exam. So my wife could not come with my daughter, and I have to come. Actually, I don't stay here. I stay for my work in other state. So, but I am very honored and privileged to be joining in. And one thing my son used to say when he joined, actually he came from Jamshedpur, and he joined in class 1 and he's now in class 10. He used to say that when he looked at the admission of the nursery kids, he used to say to us that they're so happy, they're so taken care, there's no pressure in them. He missed joining in this phase. And when his sister joined in nursery, he was so happy for her that he joined the school at such a, because he missed that thing. Because so much pressure was that there in the initial stage in other schools. It's not wanted, it's not required in that. And I'm very impressed by your report card also, because you do not stress on those only subjects, maths, English, not like that. Behavioral aspect is also written. And you are taking care of the holistic approach of the growth of the child. And this is remarkable. This is totally different from other schools where so much unwanted pressure is given on the kids. And nursery to my cousins kids are there at other schools. They are so much pressurized every time. And it's time to enjoy, it's time to grow. So it's totally there's a difference in that. I'm thankful that my daughter has joined from the initial stage in JNS and my son is putting his board, right, putting his board. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.